也在逐步恢复当中，合作商场都市民们都还不看。
Hey guys, so right now I just took some pictures because I did my makeup for once. But anyways, I wanted to let you guys know this amazing jewelry company. They're called Ana Luisa. And they actually gifted me 3 really beautiful jewelry pieces, which I'm wearing right now. This amazing dainty silver necklace, these silver hoops, chunky hoops, they look so nice. I love hoops so much. And they also gave me this silver chain bracelet. I love silver pieces. I think silver is great because you can definitely dress it up, but it looks great casual as well. Like I'm wearing my pajamas right now. So these pieces from Ana Luisa are of extremely amazing quality. So you're definitely paying what you're getting. Is that what it's called? So whatever you're paying for, it's not gonna rust. And these pieces are really good quality, but the prices are really fair as well. The prices start from $39 and range to, of course, some higher end pieces. So there's definitely a jewelry piece for everyone out there. And what I love about Ana Luisa is that they're trying to go for a 0 carbon footprint by the end of 2020. So I definitely want to support the company because, you know, we're all trying to save the planet. So I know you guys are probably all really bored. You know, we've been sitting in our houses for what, feel like 10 years already. I know that money in your bank account is asking to be spent and you are bored. So I will be leaving some links to Ana Luisa in my description box below. If you want to spend some money, if you want to online shop, if you want to get rid of that boredom, go shop right now. They're so good, right? My mom can prove it. Say something about it.
Yeah, so good.
不是，你给他们打开一下，你给大家打开一下。是不是？打开啊？
没法打，手
不是，那你拿着，你就这样拿着，你给大家，我手好丑。翻车现场，打不开。哎，你照片。Ready?
我就照你的
Ready?
你先弄。
Okay, that's it. Thank you. So Maggie has a little unboxing. Well, I already unboxed it. I have it right here. It is from Farfetch. I got a gray Acne Studio sweatshirt. It's like huge. It's extra large, guys. It's humongous. I love gray. Like gray sweatpants, gray socks, gray pajama shirt. So I decided to get this. I'm really sorry if this is the most boring video I've ever filmed. I'm literally just in my pajamas. So I'm gonna get to work now and hopefully have a productive day, even though it's 12:30 and all I've been doing is like watching TV. So I'm gonna film some study clips, hopefully, you know, some nice study with me's even though I'm at home. So yeah. Say hi.
Hi.
Okay, that's all I needed. What does it look like? Intestines. What the f— This is the like intestine looking thing. Yeah, I'm gonna unbox this. It's from Cara, because they have like the deals going on right now because of what's happening. This is like the 链条包, if you guys know. And also, okay, everybody was complaining that the chain is really loud. So I'm just gonna, oh my god. So this is what it looks like. It just says Cara right there, Cara New York. It's really cute. I got this pair of leggings because they had another deal going on as well. Atmosphere legging. It's just so basic. Like, ew, this packaging is so gross. Okay, I have to go prep for some interviews right now.
These are so good. Honey butter chips, they're so good, so addicting. It's like a love or hate. I really like it, but some people hate it. Like I feel like everybody I talk to say they don't like it, but I think it's so good. Try it. 妈，你尝，我感觉这个就那样呗。是那面条是吧？这个咱们吃过吗？这个上次你做的是这个吗？不是，热干面是吗？好吧 ，OK， 还非油炸呢。My friend Irene got me mochi. So thanks, Irene. I still have them. I froze it. It tastes better frozen, even though they're not ice cream mochi. I still think it tastes better frozen, so yes.
Just finished one of my finals. I have one more to go. Ha ha ha. Yeah. Later, I guess. But Essence's sales are so good. It's really good. 这样子的，他来了，他来了，我带着箱子又回来了，他来了。I am back, packing again. Go watch my last video. The boxes that I was talking about last time. Look at that. Oh, it goes really deep down. So I'm gonna end off this video now. I look like poo. Like, subscribe, comment, follow me on my social media. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye! Hope this was kind of entertaining. Bye-bye.